In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your recordings on Zoom for Windows. By the end, you'll know exactly where your meeting files live and how to open them or locate them on your computer. First, launch the Zoom desktop application on your Windows PC and make sure you're logged in. You'll need to be signed in to the same account you used to record the meeting, otherwise your recordings won't appear. If Zoom is already open, you can use the Home tab so you're on the main screen. Next, look toward the bottom right corner of the Zoom window and click Open Recordings. This button takes you straight to Zoom's built-in Recordings Manager, which is the easiest way to see what's been saved without digging through folders manually. In the Recordings window, click on Computer Recordings. This section lists your locally saved meeting recordings. These are files stored directly on your computer rather than in the cloud. You'll see your meeting titles, dates, and the status of each recording. If you just finished a meeting, give it a moment to process. Once it's ready, it will appear here. Now click the recording you want to open. When you select it, Zoom will show you the available files for that meeting. Typically, you'll see a video file, an audio-only file, and sometimes a separate chat or transcript file, depending on your settings. You can click the play button to open the video right away and review your meeting from start to finish. If you want to work with the actual files on your computer, maybe to move them, back them up, or share them, right-click on the recording in this list and choose View File Location. Windows File Explorer will open directly to the folder where Zoom saved that meeting. From there, you can copy the video to another drive, rename it to keep things organized, or attach it to an email. Just avoid deleting or moving files while Zoom is in the middle of processing a new recording, as that can cause errors. A quick tip: computer recordings are different from cloud recordings. Computer recordings live on your PC and appear under the computer recording section. If you typically record to the cloud with a paid plan, those recordings won't show up here. They're accessed through your Zoom web portal instead. For local recordings, this built-in manager is the right place. That's it. Open Zoom, go to Open Recordings, click Computer Recordings, select the meeting you want, and if needed, right-click to view the file location. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.